Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will compare Binance versus BingX charges. We'll dive into their fee structures, helping you understand the costs associated with trading on each platform. You'll learn about spot and futures trading fees, as well as deposit and withdrawal charges. My goal is to equip you with the knowledge to make informed decisions and potentially minimize your trading expenses. Let's get started. Binance offers competitive fees starting with a standard 1% for both maker and taker spot trades. For futures, regular users typically pay a 0.02% maker fee and a 0.05% taker fee. A great way to save is by using Binance Coin or BNB to pay your trading fees, which can give you a 25% discount. While crypto deposits are usually free, fiat deposits might have varying charges depending on your chosen method. BingX also presents a clear fee structure. For spot trading, most pairs feature a 0.1% fee for both makers and takers. When it comes to perpetual futures, you'll find a 0.02% maker fee and a 0.05% taker fee. Standard futures trades are charged a flat rate of 0.45%. Similar to Binance, crypto deposits are free, but be aware that withdrawal fees vary significantly based on the specific cryptocurrency and network used. Both platforms offer robust services, but their fee structures have distinct advantages. Binance provides significant discounts if you use BNB for fees and through its VIP program. BingX, on the other hand, maintains very competitive base rates, particularly for futures trading. Remember to always review the specific withdrawal fees for your chosen cryptocurrency and network before confirming any transaction. Also, check the description for a link to leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.